Welcome in another episode of Coding Dojo. Today we're gonna do simple pick Latin, pretty straightforward task. It's 5Q, so we went further from 6 to 5, and task is move the first letter of each word to the end of it, and then add a Y to the end of the word. Leave punctuation marks untouched. Okay, so these are examples how it should look like. Let's start some coding. So first of all, let's check what's inside. Oh. So this is string, perfect. We gonna use split to split every word to the array. Cool. So now we should have the same, but in array. Oh. Perfect. So what we're trying to achieve now is to get the array with converted words. So each word will have same position, but we've converted sentence to what it says in the description. So P and A. So the first letter is capital and the other ones are not. So let's do const converted words. Okay, and this will be our return value as well. So this will be an array of converted word, and we will want to take them and join in this space. So basically we'll take all of the sentences. Yeah, I can show you right now how it works. If we use like this, so here in the split we split the words. Now we're joining them, so let's see how it looks like. So from array, this one. So from array you're going to have string again. See, now it's a string again. Okay, okay, so let's move forward. Let's unlock the function. So here we're gonna use map. It's a ES6 cool feature, and we'll map every word and yeah, return word. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to check if the word that we're having is a word or is it exclamation punctuation mark. So in order to do it, I'll call it letters. We're going to regex one-on-one, and here a quick reference. This is the one that we're gonna use. So we're just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, so this is just to So basically we're saying that you have to start and end with the, doesn't matter to be honest, in this case, we'll see. Okay, so now we have the regex. Another thing we want to do is want to create this sentence. So this one will be the word. So to return, we will use substring of 1. So it's like left, the right side. So we're taking all the other letters besides besides the first one, and then we can take the first one. Basically that's it. So now I think the first test should work. Oh yeah, and we adding a. So the first should work. The second also works, which is weird because okay, this one doesn't have a. Let's try like this. Now it will not work because we have this. Okay, so now we're gonna use our regex, and this is short version of if statement. So we're gonna do is take a word, match, and this to pass the regex. So we're checking if the word in the word is the punctuation mark, or if it's a word actually. So with a word, we're gonna do like this, else we're just gonna take word and pass it. So we run our examples. Okay, so now it should all work. So one more time. This one converting the array to the array with converted letters. So now instead of big Latin is cool, we will have these words in separate objects in the array. And at the end, we just saying put space in between every of the objects. Let's try to attempt to run it. Perfect. So now it's working. And yeah, see you in another episode. Subscribe and like the video. See you.